nyanga ndzi ta kombisa so loko u ri se subscriber ni kombela u subscriber na mi ta langa ku vulavula hi mhaka yin'wanyana. I think I'm looking observing, but I had to raise this issue. So Makamu genius. So Makamu genius to an extent ya ku xa swi kota ku tlanga gang yi nga swi voni ku yi le ku tlangweni hi ndlela yihi. Let me give you an example. Since Makamu a pfule his YouTube channel or his issue ya ku there were some people we hlamusela ku ya hi xibibele a ku na vanhu lava nga fana na Lucifer loko a vona hi nga ku se u na following ya enough ku a khongeriwa a la ku ba xikwembu hi le ndzhaku ka nhloko. So ku ve na vanhu lava nga endla the very same thing aka Mafenya Brothers, and to follow up that thing, it was also said Cynthia ka his interview ya ka channel ya Makamu, there were certain people who came and said let's so why put this. So who are these people? Na ku mi twisa analysis ya mina, who are these people who made brands after basuka ka Makamu lava nga ha ri ku tied to Mafenya Brothers or tied to G1 by anything. These are my two suspects, which are the first one is Chavi, then the second one is Fred Bar. I wonder when you tell China mavito sikavan swa vona na swona la ku ya analysis ya mina. So Chavi was called into an interview. It was a trick interview. You can go and watch it ka channel ya Makamu. He was tricked to say ku uduele Makamu and utitwi anga right because of shido swa yena. Shido swinga swi which confirms ku indeed va ringetile ku ba Makamu andaka nhloko eka Mafenya Brothers. That's the reason why Makamu kumeka va hlongorile kumbe xana a kumeka in the relationship ya yena na vona. So here's the logic. Makamu ba sala o by thinking a lot of loko ku ri a xila ku build a court case on record Makamu engage xi vina a court case yin'wana powerful ngopfu. Why am I saying this? You make an accusation first. You bring the people that you are accusing into a record. Ku confirm yini mina ndi ya vona leyi nga endla. It's interesting to see ku channel ya Makamu endla yini. It's breaking down what happened behind the scene ka Mafenya Brothers, what happened behind the scene aka production liya. So we're actually seeing kukumelela yini. So it's a nice thing. Go and subscribe to his channel. Ngarivali ku Makamu itshembise Mafenya Brothers 12 local channel yena fix 10,000 subscribers. So we're just gonna wait until he fika. Mina unsubscribing, I think I was one of the first few because I didn't subscribe yet, I don't know about 200. So let's go and subscribe and support Makamu. I'm gonna subscribe. You can see it wasn't a critic, it wasn't anything, it was just pure analysis of what's happening. The geniusness of Makamu.